Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking McGee Style. We're gonna make some jalapeno and cheese smoked water buffalo sausage. Yep, my job is to start chopping up jalapenos. I've got 62. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, we're just doing can you see me? Yeah, a rough chop. Let's do a rough chop. Throw them in the Ninja Foodie processor. Seeds and all, because we like a spicy sausage. Well, not all. Got the stems off. That's all we're gonna do this time around. That's what Bobby asked for. That's what I'm doing. I have a metal container here for all 60, however many jalapenos I'm doing, I will let you know.
Right. A cup and a half of salt. It's almost a whole container. Alright, so 1 cup of black pepper. About 3/4 cups of garlic. Three-quarter cups of cumin. Just a whole cup instead of 3/4. I'm gonna put about a 1/4 cup of sage. We'll go half. Yeah. Cayenne.
Oh yeah.
That's about 3/4 cup. Now you just mix it all up. So pour it and pour it. Oof. Right. So now, open up the sausage bags. Again, this isn't beef. This is water buffalo. And I already had this all nice and cut up. Perfect for the grinder. So I'm just gonna take it and put it right into here. How red that meat is. So I got 3 more bags I gotta open up. Then I'll add my seasonings. All right, got the meat cut up into chunks. Now I'm gonna add the seasoning and mix it all up. It's a lot of seasoning. Once I get rich and famous, hit the lottery or whatever, I'm gonna build me a good sized kitchen where I can do all this stuff and have a meat mixer and all that good stuff. That's good. We can put the ground meat back in here anyhow, so all the other seasonings will get on there. Now we're gonna start grinding up meat. I'm gonna load my grinder up. I'm gonna dump some of the meat in here and then add the sausage and cheese to it. Then add the rest of the meat. Make it easier to mix in. Got the jalapeños. That was 57 jalapeños. Woo-hoo, doggy. This is 5 pounds of high temp jalapeños. Already cubed. You can buy these on Amazon. There's several brands. We find that it's easier if you use the high temp cheese. It holds up better on the pit. It doesn't just leak out the sausage when you go to bite into it or cut into it. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the sausage. Whoa.
Should we make a patty and taste it, or nah? We already know it's gonna be good.
Still not a bad idea though.
Well, I'll give you a plate and you make me a little patty, and I'll cook it up.
Mix all this together best you can. You definitely want an oversized container so you can really move that meat around. It's not like it, the way I'm seasoning it now, I want it in chunks. So I don't have to worry about the seasoning not being right, you know?
No, I like the way you do that instead of. I know when we very first started doing this. Do you want me to put on the glove and scrape these jalapenos into that? Or
I
not?
told you I'm gonna put it all back in there anyhow.
Okay. We started out grinding the meat and then seasoning it.
Yeah, pain in the ass.
I think this works out way better.
Oh, hell yeah, it does. It's pretty much done. What do you think? Pretty good consistency, looks like.
That's good.
You want to bring those pan over here? Because I don't want to make it too heavy for you to take out.
True.
So we'll put some in both pans.
I'm just gonna cover these in foil.
Yeah.
Put them in the fridge.
Yep.
I'll stuff them tomorrow. We're making some jalapeno and cheese, water buffalo sausage, and we want to taste it to make sure we like the seasoning that we made ourselves before we eat it. So I want to make some burgers out of it. Yep. Well, while he's busy, I'm going to taste a bite. Wow. Okay, that's spicy.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. But it's good.
It is good. It is spicy. Bonus dinner. Good night, everybody. We'll see y'all tomorrow when we go to stuffing. Hi, everybody. It's the next day. Let's start stuffing. In the fridge. Oh. We're gonna push it down. We've been pushing it down with a spoon, but we want all the air out of this horn. The meat to come all the way to the end. Okay. I know I'm not talking a whole lot today. I had some dental work done and my mouth is still, I'm still numb. I can't feel my nose. Okay. I like to cut off the tails. Got ice on my casings so they stay cool. I have a bowl of ice water here so my hands stay cool and to use cool water on my horn. These are the size of my vacuum seal bags. So it's probably I'm just gonna be on the safe side and say we're gonna seal it about here. I got it wet, my hands were wet. It's okay. So I'm gonna do horseshoe links. They need to fit this long. That's the goal. Anyway, let's make one of these. There's a link in the description how to prepare natural hog casings, in case you don't know. There are instructions on the bag. The ones I'm using today, not these exact ones because they're frozen. I buy them on Amazon. The sausage maker hog casings, natural. We're not a fan of the synthetic casings. Some people are, some aren't. There's all kinds of different, if you want to spend a little more, if it's against your religion to eat pork, you can always, I think you can buy, I want to say it's lamb or sheep's and casings. Never done all that. We've tried the synthetic casings and we did not like them at all. I'm going to go with about there. Tighten the nut. Give me just a second, I'm gonna weigh this. Make sure it fits in the bag, and then I have a standard. If it fits in the bag, then I have a standard for the length I want to make the rest of them. There's other ways to do this. We're doing it this way today. I have plenty of videos on how to stuff stuff. It's about 13.5 ounces. Let's see if it'll fit. I want it to fit like this so that it stacks easier in the freezer. See what I mean? It will fit if I do it like that. That's gonna be hard to stack up in your freezer. So I'm gonna go a little shorter on the next one. But yeah, this one will have to be sealed this way. So I've got tape, just regular tape. I'm not writing on the counter, okay? I'm writing, I just put a mark on the tape. So from here to here is how long I want to make my links. Doesn't mess anything up, and you can always take it off later. Once you finished one, oh yeah, you want to make sure that your hands are wet when you're dealing with this casings, because it will rip on you if you pull on it and tug on it too hard with dry hands or a dry horn. Okay, let's see. A little bit longer than I wanted. That's okay. There we go. Vacuum seal. That will work. Obviously, if you're not freezing them, then you don't need to even deal with all that. But we are. So, okay. Anyway, that's what I'm doing for the rest of my life. There's a lot of meat. Oh, by the way, look. Look at, can you see? I'll try to zoom in if I can. You can see the jalapeno. You can see the high temp cheese. Yes, it's gonna be awesome sausage. Need to get it done so Bobby can smoke some. We'll probably freeze some raw. We'll see.
Smoking some homemade jalapeno and cheese water buffalo sausage. Yum.
Okay, let's taste some. Jalapeno and cheese water buffalo sausage. Really good. Everybody, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will put everything we did in the comments and post links and all that good stuff. Have a blessed night.